This video is for introducing the use of a bridging table. In the previous video on data format, we have highlighted that table format is recommended to be used for data analysis and processing. Let's dive right in to see an example. In this example, we have a table format of progress data for project ABC. Each column comprises a separate type of data, such as the serial number, the block reference, the apartment unit reference, the task name, the target start date, the target end date, the actual start date, and the actual end date. Each row represents one unique set of data for one task in one apartment. There are a total of 3 blocks of apartment units ranging from 8-story to 10-story high. 48 different tasks are required to be carried out for each apartment unit. Including the header row, this dataset comprises of 9,793 rows of data. Instead of directly processing the data for analysis in this worksheet called raw, I usually prefer to create a new worksheet called bridging table to carry out the analysis. This is because the raw worksheet is usually data exported from some system which we will need to frequently update for analysis. We do not want our analysis to accidentally be affected when we paste the new data into the raw worksheet. We can use the equal formula in our bridging table worksheet to make reference to the various data in the raw worksheet which we would like to analyze. We know that there are 9,793 rows of data to be captured up to column G, therefore we can copy the data along row 2 using Ctrl+C, go and select cell G9793. Hold on to the Shift button and click cell A2 to select all the cells in between. And finally paste the formula using Ctrl+V into all these cells. As the data are in table format, we can easily create formula in each column which are applicable to all rows. For example, we can extract the level reference using the mid function in cell H2, and apply the formula down the entire column. Similarly, we can extract the unit number reference by using the right function in cell I2 and apply the same formula again down the entire column. We can also create a column of data using 1 and 0 to represent yes or no by using the if function. It can be used to analyze whether a task is completed or not in column J. Or whether there is any delay in completion or not as shown in the next column. Such methods can easily be used for data analysis of even larger sets of data exceeding 9,793 rows due to the fact that the data are stored in a table format as discussed. Thank you for watching this video. We will show in the next video how we convert such data from table format into matrix format easily using pivot table in Excel.
Please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell notification button.